Wow. Wow, guys. Finally, we get some zaxby's. Whoa. Mmm. Zaxby's, baby. Mmm. Wow. Wow. This is cheesecake. Wow. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So it's just a cake. Wow. Oh. Wow. Mmm. Mmm. Yeah. Mmm. Well. I have some ketchup here. Ketchup. Is it ranch? What is that? Sauce. What kind of sauce is that? I don't know what kind of sauce though. Wow. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What is that? I don't know, man. It doesn't look right. Oh yeah. Wow. 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 Hmm. 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 Wow. All right, good stuff, y'all. Good stuff. Wow. Mm. Wow. It's very sweet. Wow. 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 Can I? Wow. Wow. Guys, that's a nice meal, guys. Very nice. A lot of stuff right here. How about that piece right here? I see I have some barbecue here. I think that's part of the barbecue. That's not barbecue. That's Zax sauce. Zax sauce, y'all. Wow. 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 That's a nice one, guys. What kind of sauce is that? Is that this barbecue? That's what I was looking for. That's sweet barbecue. That's what I was looking for. Wow. This is what I was looking for. Sweet barbecue. Huh? So. It's good though. I like it. That is a really beautiful meal, guys. I like it though. I like the cheesecake. I paid about $15 for that meal. It came with drink. Wow. I like it. So yeah. I do stuff here. Good stuff. Oh. Yeah. Very nice. Wow. That was a nice minute, guys. Guys, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, guys. I'm working hard though. I have a lot of stuff coming out. Yeah, so guys, thank you so very much, and I wish you a wonderful day. Today is Sunday. Yeah, very beautiful day. Yeah, I had a nice weekend. I can say the weekend is over for me, because I have to go back to work tomorrow. So guys, thank you. I appreciate all of y'all for watching my videos, and I promise they're gonna keep coming. They're not gonna stop. That's something I promise. I make a promise to myself and to all my fans, you know, up there. So my video can keep coming up. I'm gonna make sure I send some short every day, and some long videos every day. They're gonna just keep coming, you know what I'm saying? I don't have a point to stop. So thank you so very much, and I wish you in the next one. My name is the Carbon of Kentucky. I'm the only one. Ching 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 ching, my lord, representing ID. Pooh! I see you in the next one.